Welcome to Sage X3's Vertical Market Customer Success and Demo Series. I'm Dave Cranage, Field Sales Engineer for Sage X3. Today we'll demonstrate Sage X3 support for the wholesale distribution vertical. Following the demonstration, we'll review a wholesale distribution customer success story. Sage X3 for wholesale distribution provides real-time insights into all aspects of sales, inventory, product profitability, and warehouse operations so wholesale distributors can adapt to an uncertain future. In X3, role-based permissions control user access. This dictates what a user can see and do in the system. On the X3 home screen, which we are looking at right here, the user manages daily activities, responsibilities, and real-time reporting using landing pages that are highly customizable with gadgets. Gadgets add toolbars, charts and graphs, inquiries, or specific visual process maps that help a user complete daily tasks. We'll use the distribution visual process map to illustrate how X3 automates processes, improves inventory management, and increases system-wide visibility as well as reporting accuracy. The product master is the core of X3 distribution. Let's start there. The product master is the central source of product information for many X3 business functions. The product master screen consists of three sections: the left list, center console, and right panel. Together, they comprise an interactive connected workspace providing a 360-degree view of the product within the system. This centralized product data creates opportunity to optimize distribution, procurement, and product lifecycle management, creating potential savings opportunities across the business. From our visual process map, let's start our distribution journey by creating a new quote. Let's select the quote icon from our distribution visual process map. We'll create a new quote, add our customer, Johnson Wholesale, come down to our quote lines, using our action card, select product customer selection. This is a list of the different products that Johnson Wholesale buys from us. In this case, they want the small gloves, and they want 10 cases of those gloves. Note that creating the quote also created a new line item. S3 ear loop masks are part of a promotion and are free if a customer buys 9 or more boxes of gloves. X3 has a dynamic, rules-based pricing engine that supports all sorts of variations in pricing, discounting, and promotions. Let's push our quote into a new sales order. See how easy it was to convert the quote to a new sales order? Although I'm not using it here, X3 offers multiple levels of approval for quotes and sales orders. An approver can quickly accept or reject a request through an automated email process. Let's jump down to the sales order lines. Note that when I select the ordered quantity field, the system shows stock availability. Also see how our products are green? X3 is using conditional formatting to show me we have plenty of available inventory. Let's head back to our distribution visual process map. Creating new sales orders generates demand. Using X3's powerful MRP engine, we can determine if we have what we need to deliver the product and meet that demand. Let's go ahead and run MRP. MRP provides the planning logic necessary to make or buy only what is needed when it is needed. It answers 3 questions: what items are required, how many items are required, and when are the items required. Now that MRP is run, let's quickly take a peek here, and we can see that the system has created suggestions for work orders, purchase orders, intersite transfers, subcontracts, etc. Let's head back to our visual process map. We know running MRP creates suggestions. So let's look at MRP's purchase suggestions by going to the Buyer's Workbench. X3's Buyer's Workbench is a decision support tool for buyers and planners. It suggests purchases based on actual demand for a product, enabling a buyer to group several records as the basis for a new order. By selecting the suggested items and clicking on Generate, it consolidates them into a single purchase order. Let's head back to the Distribution Visual Process Map. To save us some time, I've already completed the pick and pack process and prepped the shipment for us to review and send on to the client. From our Distribution Visual Process Map, let's jump to the Shipping tab and check out the Shipping Workbench. X3 is extremely flexible in defining how the pick, pack, and ship components work together within the system. X3 supports straight ship by order, delivery-driven work assignments for directed picking, and wave releases to the warehouse for sequenced pick, pack, and ship. Once the shipments are created, they can appear on a scheduled shipments calendar. The calendar gadget can be used to manage the different carrier shipment schedules. Shipments can be accessed directly from the calendar. Let's grab our shipment from today. X3 has out-of-the-box API integration to FedEx and UPS online systems, as well as integration to powerful multi-carrier shipping solutions. An integrated shipping solution provides a more efficient shipping process, less errors, and potential for greater profits. Let's go ahead and validate the shipment. This generates an email to the customer with the tracking number embedded so they can monitor the shipment to their door. Let's head back to our Distribution Visual Process Map. Let's revisit the quote and see how X3 keeps track of the recorded business document history. From our Distribution Visual Process Map, let's click on the quote icon again. From the right panel, Selection, we'll select Today to see the quotes generated today. Let's select our quote. Going right back to the right panel, under Options, let's select Journal Traceability. Journal Traceability shows the detailed transactions that have been recorded from the quote forward. By selecting the Business Transaction Line Items Action card, we can drill right into the document detail. If a product recall were to occur, journal traceability is a vital part of tracking down and notifying the affected customers. Let's head back to the Distribution Visual Process Map. As we traveled through the Distribution Visual Process Map, a lot of data was recorded along the way. When it's time to analyze and monitor business performance and our key indicators, that data is golden. X3's business intelligence tools provide centralized real-time insight that facilitate planning optimization and the ability to react efficiently across all decision-making processes. With X3's business intelligence tools, companies become more agile, make more accurate decisions, and are increasingly competitive in today's global economy. Hopefully, through that quick demonstration, you can see how X3 supports the wholesale distribution vertical. Thanks for attending Sage X3's Vertical Market Customer Success and Demo Series.